All right, you guys, so I have the front door behind me, and you can see Laura over there working diligently. Everything looks good. I'm just going to walk you through the house and make sure everything's in place. This is your coat closet here. Okay, I have the front door behind me. Okay, and now I did test to make sure that the HVAC boot's on. That's running. Here's your first guest room. Smoke detectors in place. There's your cable jack. Alright, here you go. The heat is working, I feel it. Okay. Now, here's your guest bathroom. Okay. Let's just check this toilet. Seems to flush just fine. Okay, tub is draining well. Alright, here's your other guest bedroom. Attic access. Okay, cable jack. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the master bedroom. Alright, here's your cable jack. Everything looks good. It's a rainy day here at the beach. Here is your master and that is draining well. Okay, let me make sure I'm not going to get water on me here. Everything's draining well there. We're good there. Okay. Here's the walk-in master. This is beautiful. Oh, I love this house. All right. And then coming back out. Okay. So you've got your hookups for your washer and dryer. And then, of course, your screen porch. Right. And now I'm going to back up and let you see that the door, the weather stripping is in and it's sealed well. And then here's your garage with your hot water tank, your main electrical panel. You've got your water shutoff valve here. garage door opener, attic access. Those are the covers for the windows in case we ever have a storm and you need to cover them. Nice big garage. Okay. And as you can see, that door seals well too, no daylight. Okay. Then in your kitchen here, shelves are in. Of course, here's your space for your fridge. It's 39 wide, so I think the standard width would be about 36, 72 high, and 2 feet deep. Okay. Okay, and here's your microwave. It does start. You're running. Okay. Turning all the burners on to check those. Alright, all those work. Let's see. Let me get your temperature here. Okay. I'll come back and check that in a minute. It's heating up. And here's your dishwasher. Let me see here. Probably should have my glasses on for this. Alright. So let's do. Okay, that's coming on. I guess you can probably hear that. Alright. And then you're under the counter. There's your disposal. See, that's a nice big cabinet. Here's your Lazy Susan. This is nice. All your manuals, garage door openers. Okay, and you can see your ovens coming on. So we're good there. Let me turn that off. I'll figure it out. All right, I'll come back and turn that off. Okay, got your pendant lights up here. Your light here. Okay, I think that's all for the inside, and I'll take you around the outside.